Hello guys, today I want to talk about the basic concept of Java programming. So if you follow this tutorial, you will pretty much understand the concept of class, object, method and constructor. So let's start with an example. You'll see this concept. Tutorial 1. Okay, so I'm going to create a new class. I will name it basic. Make sure to check this checkbox. This is our main class, our public class. The class should just have a just one public class and this main method, otherwise the JVM cannot call the project. So let's suppose we have a company class and we have the employee class also. Class employee. Try to consider the naming convention in Java programming, so it means that the name of the class should start with the capital letter. What the employee would have ID, name, string name, and int salary. Okay. String. I'll make it looks better. And what is I'm going to create the object of the employee class object inside the company. So I'm going to declare the object of employee emp1, and let's take advantage of my laziness. Okay, 2, 3, and then I'm going to create a method inside this company class, public void set employee here void means that it does not return anything in this method, and try to use the a small letter for a method. This is actually called the camel naming structure. So let's define the this method. I'm instantiating the method, the object in this method. This is instantiation, and employee. Okay. Okay. And again, I'm going to copy this is employee 2, employee 3. You see, now I'm going to create a method public to get the employee name. So I need to let's suppose we want to create we assign the default data for employee, and then in this case I needed to I can use the constructor. So constructor actually a method which must have the same name of the class. I'm going to create a constructor here, public employee. See, this is constructor. That's okay. if I dedicate these things based on my employee class to our constructor, I assigned if I want to assign the default data for this variable, I need to write name and salary, and this dot id equal to id, this dot name equal to name, and salary equal to salary. You see, I didn't even name. Here I use the this keyword. When you use the this, you are going to call the class level variable here. This id refer to this id, and even you can not use the this keyword, so you can just make this way. Now you see here we get error here. Why? Because we have to pass 3 parameter based on this constructor. So we need to pass some variable, some data here. To command my own name, and then salary, let's suppose 5,000, and here 1 up Orhan, here is like 4,000, and 333 like Seville. Three, 5. Okay, now I'm going to create a method here to get the employee list the list of the employee name list, and okay, let's suppose system dot out dot print ln and emp1 dot name equal to emp2 dot name equal to emp3 dot name. Okay, we call these things. Actually, I can make these things to create, to see this stuff in better way. And I'm going to call this method inside the main method. So I need to create the object of the class company. So I will say company copy. Okay, CMP, let's suppose new CMP. Okay, I create the object of this class. Oops. And I'm going to call this method. You see, in order to call this method, I need to set I need to call the first of all call the set employee method. So cmp dot set employee and cmp dot get cmp dot get list. Oh, layout, I like it. Okay, so let's see. Here the point is that in real time we usually do not use the default declaration, and we in real time project we need to make it private. You see, private. If we make this variable as private variable, then outside the employee class we cannot access this stuff. So what we need to do? So we need to create the getter and setter method, and then we can access those variable getter and setter. I can just check the name, but I will do all of them, so it make me get name. You see, I'm calling the get name for employee 1. If you look at here, get name and set name. Okay, so get, it's like this. Okay, and get name. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, you see it listed our employee class name. We can do something else here. If I want to have the all information of the employee, to print all the information of the employee, what I can do, I can create a method inside this employee class, inside this constructor. I can say that system dot out dot print. Okay, let's suppose ln. I want to write it in this way, and I can call the get ID and get name and get salary here in the constructor. So if I call with this get ID and then equal to this get name this dot get salary. Okay, and then let's run it. Yes, you see, we can I can make it like so you can see better. Yeah, we get the list of information. Okay, I'll continue this tutorial in the next video.